Are you looking for the perfect way to fry your fish, getting it crispy outside and juicy inside? Oh my goodness. You are at the right place, because this was so nice, and we paired it with gakinki. It was very well fried and delicious. I just don't want to waste your time. Let's get started. I have with me here my round scarred fish. I'll just go ahead and then remove the scale from it. Okay, it has scale at that end you are seeing, but not from the tail. Okay, so at this moment we have started with our fish cleaning. Okay, we are cleaning the fish very well before we start with the preparation. Thank you so much for your time. Please do not forget to follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. We share detailed recipes there, and trust me, you will love it. If you want the recipe in Tree language, I have a Tree channel, which I'll be pinning the channel name in the comment section. You will love it there as well. Okay, now I'm done with everything. I'll just go ahead and divide it according to the sizes that I want. You can fry it whole like that, and that is okay. So I cut some parts of the tail, and with this fish I want everything except the intestine, and then the other part which you'll be seeing in the video. So when you are done cutting it, we will just go ahead and then remove the parts that I don't want. Okay, so I realized that with this it was matured eggs. It is so good. So I remove the intestine and then allow the matured eggs to be, because it is good. As I said earlier, it is very easy to clean when you cut them before you do that. Okay, or it is very easy to remove those parts when you cut them. You just remove it and then let everything come out. I had to end from that part because I didn't want people to see blood like that. Myself, I don't like blood. I'm just doing it because I love the family. Okay, yeah. So after I was done with everything, I washed or cleaned it very well with my lemon juice and some water. After that, I will just go ahead and add my salt. So that was salt you saw earlier. I've added some water to it. I will allow it to stay for just 15 minutes because this fish, they are not big. Okay, so it shouldn't stay in the water for a very long time. After the 15 minutes, I strain the water from it, and that is what you are seeing on the screen. Very clean and neat. I will just go ahead and coat my fish with my all-purpose flour. You can use soft flour, you can use bread flour. You are good to go. They work perfectly. Okay, so after that I will just remove some of the excess flour as you are seeing on the screen, and right now I have my oil on fire. It is hot, so I'll go ahead and then start frying, and just look at that. They look good already. Okay. You can see the fire is not very high. Okay, because of the pan that I'm using. This pan is not correct pan. Okay. It is very light. Yes, where I got it from shows that it is not correct pan, but I just don't want to talk about it, where I got it from, to spoil someone's work or job. Okay, yeah, that is just by the way. So I will not increase the fire, so you do it according to your pan. And do you know the heat we use to cook are not the same? Do you know that? Let me explain it further. Okay, maybe your high heat may be low for me. Recently I realized that when I visited my husband, the stove that I cooked on, the low was very high, so my foot got bent. So it's a matter of you studying your stove and then the pan you use. Okay, now I'll flip it very well and then make sure it does not burn. As I told you earlier, this pan is not correct pan. It's very light. That is just by the way. Now it is ready. I will just go ahead and then remove it from the oil. Let it rest on the paper towel or in your colander, and oh my goodness, as I told you earlier, this was so delicious and very nice. So I'll just open some for you to see. I have not done this before, but today I decided to do so. So just look at that. Oh my goodness, it was so delicious. And we pair this with kinky. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to like this video and eat very healthy for me. So I come your way next time. Know that I love you. Bye bye.